Hi, it's Glenn from Alarm Guard Security. Listen, if you have doorbell cameras with alarm.com or possible outdoor cameras or indoor cameras, and they're currently working on live view, but for some reason they stopped recording, I just wanted to give some advice on just a double check before you call your service provider. There's a good possibility that your recording rules were paused. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get you to go to alarm.com, the website, and you're going to click on basically login. That's going to take you to the website, and you're going to log in with your email address or your login details, and you'll get to the home screen. Once you're at the home screen, basically what you want to do is you're going to click on video, my bad, and then you're going to click on recording rules. Now there you go. So for some reason, these could be off. So this one here is for the doorbell motion detection. We're going to turn that back on. This one. So the next time somebody walks by the doorbell, it'll start recording, send you an information. Same thing with the doorbell call recording. Somebody presses the button. Video motion detection. This is set up for our outdoor camera. And this one's set up for indoor camera. So they were all off, which means I could see them on live view, I could see them on my app, but they actually weren't recording. This one's on motion, this one's on motion, this one's on the doorbell being pushed, and then this was on basically motion for the video doorbell. You might not just see it off, but it might say paused. For some reason, you might have gone over your clips for the month, maybe 1,000, 3,000, or whatever it is. Alarm.com or the website will automatically pause it. Keep in mind, even if these are off, your alarm schedule will always be on. So everything will record in the event of alarm, whether these are off or not, as long as this one's on. So you're good to go on that. I'm Glenn from Alarm Guard Security. Have a great day.